Hello and welcome to this very surprise live, and my big apologies to start out with that we are running late for this live that we had posted. Okay, so we had wanted to be at 12 here, but it has taken us some time. It's been a great morning, meaning a lot of you already. The show opens at 2, of course. We were in transit coming from Chandigarh. Big thanks to everybody in Chandigarh who was there yesterday. Beautiful day, and yes, let's make it better. The first time in Ludhiana, we're so excited to be here, and now we're all set. The morning was a little crazy, and hence we couldn't come on live. So I'm really happy that many of you are joining in. Sorry for the delay once again, but let's make the most of this time that we have. I'm going to be showing you some amazing mix of pieces. Okay, I'm wearing the same kurta as last time in my life because we thought of wearing something else and we wore something else. It was a complete chaos. Good chaos, but a chaos. So I'm going to be showing you a range of amazing pieces that I've been thinking of doing for the live here and kept it for you. And we're going to be starting out with lots of different kinds of, so it's going to be a mix in terms of range, in terms of variety, and you get to see all of it now. My team is there. They're going to be online as well. So they're going to be taking your order. Now, there you go. What a stunning color. And you know, we have just the right mix of natural light. It's beautiful here. So this is a really hot, amazing looking silk fabric, and you can see it here. Look at that. I think it's just a beautiful shade of green. Okay, now let's make it a little even brighter is with this. I love this combination. How perfect can it be? All you will need is a plain silk. See, look at that. I'm also going in the back, so you get a full look of the piece. It's absolutely amazing. You dekhiye. And there you go. That's the dupatta, but of course it's a combination we've done for you. So you want to go for the full thing, surely you want to go for them separately. Both options are there. Sirf ek plain silk bottom isme chahiye jo dye ho sakta hai. We'll dye it on your order. Okay, now from that, really perfect same on same combination, we're going to go make some few more like these. Now this is one color, the green. This is the other color. Now very interesting what I'm wearing. अगर आपको सिल्क पसंद आए तो आप सिल्क लें, आपको प्रीमियम कॉटन पसंद आए तो प्रीमियम कॉटन लें. और मेरे पास इसमें भी बहुत सारे कलर्स हैं which we are going to be showcasing to you. But meanwhile, what I'm doing is I'm just bringing them out to you. Now look at that. It's a perfect Meena, and lots of suits coming up. So that's the really good thing कि बहुत सारे suits भी हैं. We are in Ludhiana today. Send your friends and family, and all of you from Ludhiana, do make it. It's an exciting day today. We open our show at 2, but it's been a busy morning already, and that's always a good thing. So thank you, and we await you and your friends and family and everybody else to be visiting us here. Where are we? We are at the Hyatt Regency, in the Regency Club on the 7th floor. Okay, now look at that. Now what I'm showing you is one thing, is that this is a great look together. But why we are doing this live is that we want to bring out all of these pieces for everybody who's online or live ke bina kaise, so we really had to kind of fit this in, but I'm so happy that we did. Okay, now I'm going to show you this with this. That's what we're going to be showing you. What I have is this crisp, amazing, look at that. It's just such a beautiful, I'm just opening it right in front of you, brocade. Okay, this is a brocade dupatta, and ultra soft, ultra easy. Okay, look at that. Ye dekhiye, very nice. All of this. Okay, so the kind of fabric that I'm wearing here, this is Karwa, and this is with Meena, and these are 6,800 per meter. So that's the price. Now look at this amazing rich color. Okay, it's a very beautiful brocade weave dupatta. Okay, how are we going to make it a little more better is because of the combination that I'm going to show you, and it's a stunning combination. Like, look at that. So you have this green. Now this is a very similar color on the border. I think it's just so perfect. Okay, for a sense, again, this is 26,800, I think, I believe, and this is about 6,800 per meter. All you will need to do is a plain silk. Now maybe you just want the dupatta, that's also an option, or maybe this very lovely rust color fabric, which I think is absolutely amazing. So that's also there. This is the dupatta. Let me give you one quick glance. I love that combination. We're going to do that. Okay, so the like some amazing pieces for you that you can be doing. Okay, now this one is even more brilliant, but we're going to start out with the dupatta. Just look at this light silk dupatta. Here you go. Can you see that? It's got Sona Rupa. It's got this amazing color to it. Flowy, lovely, all things beautiful. I just love the flow. Look at that. This is the flow of the dupatta. Ultra lightweight Katan silk. And in my favorite color, because this blue happens to look so good when you're going to be kind of wearing it with off-white, a gold. There are so many colors possible. Or I'm going to show you a very neutral. Yes, let's do that. We're going to be showing a very neutral and wonderful color like this. Jiske saath, you know, basically just everything. It's like a skin color. Lot of yesterday was amazing. I was hearing many of you, you know, the Chua family colors, all of those, basically all the browns and the loud browns. That was amazing, and that's the first time I heard that. So yes, so good to see so many of you there in Chandigarh yesterday, and we are waiting for you, of course, online first, Amesha, you know. So we're going to be waiting for you on WhatsApp. That's why we're showing you these amazing pieces. And you know, my team is there in Mumbai here with me, and we're working from everywhere, so you don't have to worry about that. And just come on WhatsApp and know all details that you got to know. Okay, now just stunning suit sets in premium cotton. What is premium cotton? Okay, ये जो एक question है, that is what I'm going to answer about what is premium cotton. Premium cotton का जो composition होता है ये अलग होता है. It is hand woven with a thread of silk. First things first, and the second thing is it's cotton. So pure cotton, pure silk composed with Meena on a handloom. That's the beauty of it. अच्छा, अब मैं जो दिखा रही हूँ आपको ये एक suit set है. So that's what we are doing now. This one is a proper suit set. Okay, look at this wonderful, amazing color. If you have worn a cotton, if you have seen it, there is nothing like it. Okay, so it's just absolutely beautiful. There you go. Look at the color. And this is a Hiranya piece in premium cotton. Most beautiful. We have one more color, and we're going to go. Of course, season aisa that, you know, these colors look so good with it. And you know, like all of these families of light browns, and very lovely. Okay, this the loom पे ये भी बना है. इसका जो cotton का, you know, bottom है, that's also been woven along with it. And let's show you the dupatta. There you go. So I'm just showing you all that there is to see. That's the kurta, bottom, dupatta in this very beautiful light. It's such a cold coffee color. Okay, so very nice. And there you go. Yes, and from that we're going to jump into, you know, Georgette suit. Okay, and I'm going to show you Georgette suits with Meena, and they're amazing. They're all season. They look great. They dress you up, and we love showing you, you know. So that's the whole point, and let's just show these to you. There you go. I love these. They're soft, they're flowy. We have colors in them, and you know, I'm just showing you the second color. I just have two colors in it, and I'm just going to show you the, you know, the fun of wearing Georgette. It's absolutely amazing always. So it's always good, you know, you can just dress them up, keep it simple. So many different ways of doing it. Let's show you the second color, and all good. So this is the second color. They both come with plain silk bottoms, and you can go for it. This one's got an orange Meena, because when you're in the mood to dress up and you know you want just one full look, Georgette is a great option. Koi bhi season ho, summers ho, winters ho, whenever you feel, you can just go for it. Okay, so I'm going to go here and just do my pick, and I want to do this combination. It's a very nice brocade, okay? I have lots of these amazing pieces that I've lined up for you, which I want to show you, okay? ये मुझे, I love this, okay? It is one of our softest, most beautiful brocade silk fabric, but that's not it yet, okay? With that, we're going to be showing you this perfect combination, and there you go, okay? So what is that? This is our Sona Rupa Karwa and Karwa dupatta in Georgette, and look at that, just perfect in every which ways. And there you go, you can see the combination. It's the exact same beautiful color that you can be pairing together. Of course ये again एक ensemble है, तो आप अलग भी पहन सकते हैं, साथ भी पहन सकते हैं. This is 7,800 per meter. This is 32,800 for the dupatta, you know, for all the details. Okay, now I'm going to show you another thing. Ki agar you want an organza which is dressy, now this color is very similar, not exactly same, but now look at that. That's also a dupatta. This I will show it to you by wearing it, which you can just dress up summers so easily, so lovely with all of this handwork. Now these are 15,800 and they're available for you, and you can kind of go for it. Okay, now look at that, amazing flow. Okay, now from that we'll go on to this whole lot of dupattas that have been doing so well. Okay, what is this? This is Munga. This is hand bandhni. It's the real bandhni, super time taking, super intricate. Okay, this is what you're seeing, and a very nice pastel pink. Okay, so you can definitely go for a plain Munga suit if you kind of want to do that. Just dupattas with which you can wear different colors. That's also a great way of kind of dressing them up. Okay, now what is the price of these dupattas? What is this?
2,800.
20. Just check on the tag. Okay, so we're just going to check on the tag and tell you the price. What is the price?
28,800.
Okay, great. So 28,800, that's the price of these dupattas. We want to tell you all that there is to tell you so that you can get your favorite piece, okay? And we are doing this live all the way from Ludhiana. It's been amazing. It gets us so excited to be, oh, look at this amazing, okay? You think summer, you want to wear this, what perfect, okay? Handcrafted completely, tassels, finishing, all done right there. And it's just beautiful, okay? So now look at the flow. It moves in a great way. It's Munga silk, it's stunning, and we have colors in it which I'm just showing you, okay? Or more colors. Now there you go. We are also going to be showing you Georgette suits, linen suits. So, you know, you gotta keep seeing. And yes, so good to be back live today, you know, and we are really excited to be showcasing all of these colors and pieces to you so that it's in real time. You can get these beautiful pieces right there. Okay, now next one is this. How amazing is that? This is a rustish color. The bandhni is right there. It's so beautiful. Look at the whole pattern. Now each one is a very unique piece. So what you're really going for is that, you know, yes, you're going for it now. That's the whole idea, because जब आप इसको, you know, देखें तो, you know, each one has its own beauty and has its own look. And from that we're going to go into something. Now I'm just thinking, what is it that we're going to go for? Yeah, let's go do that. Yeah, let's do that. The last one in this is this perfectly pretty piece, and it's here for you, and you can see that whole flow. Wear it if you want to dress it up a little, तो आप इसके साथ मूंगा बूटा लें. Otherwise you can just go as it is. It looks amazing. Okay, now what we are doing is we are going to go for some linen suits. Okay, now these are 3-piece suit set, stunning. Okay, just look at this color, and it's all like with the bottom, सब कुछ ready है. I'm just going to show you the whole look right there. Just pretty, stunning, full set, 38,800, and it's amazing. It's a lovely, lovely, deep color. You know, you cannot miss wearing this fabric. Again, what is our linen? Our linen is silk by linen, guys. That's the combination. You've seen a hard, you know, dark one, which you really can, you know, wear it for a formal event. Now I'm going to show you a perfect summer look, and that's this one. Okay, let's show this to you. This is the bottom. So that's the bottom. मैं इसको side रख रही हूँ because I want to first show you the amazing color and feel that there is. Okay, now look at that. Here it is, linen dupatta, linen kurta, and plain bottom, which is in chanderi. But I think it's so pretty. Okay, because you know nothing spells summer, you know, better than these pieces right there for you. क्योंकि linen चल रहा है, we have done a deep one. We're gonna do another one right here for you, and it's a great black. So black in linen is always a rarity, and it always looks so rich, very different. So think summer, think, you know, summer evening events, and this is just perfect. Let's show you this. There you go. It's absolutely amazing. So इसके जो bottoms हैं ये हैं, you know, that's the chanderi bottoms with it. I'm going to now keep it aside right there for you. Okay, from that, oh, okay, let's do that. क्योंकि black है, we're going to go for another black, and I showed you yesterday, and now we have kind of received pieces. So yes, this is actually sold out, but I just thought that I will just show it to you because I think it looks phenomenal with this border and the beautiful piece that it is. Okay, let's show this to you like that so you really can see the beauty of this one. It's amazing. Okay, this jet black, think that you're wearing a deep black suit, and this ultra colorful, but in just the right amount. Oh yes, we have that, so you can definitely go for it. और इसी बात पे इसका दूसरा color, which is what I'm going to be showing you right here, and let's show you the beauty of these amazing pieces. Now there you go. So look at that. Now you want to go all dark like that, that's wonderful. You want to keep it a little softer than this. Oh, and that Meena right there is everything. Okay, that's the whole look and feel about it. And just that, you know, look at that, there's that silver touch, gold, Meena, multicolor. It's got everything that you're looking for. From that, okay, now this one is just, I love this. Can we find the other green that is there? But I want the green dupatta also because, you know, that's so pretty. Okay, so I have one very lovely color, new two colors, which is what I'm showcasing to you, and I love each one of these because they're such distinct looks. Okay, now look at that. I love the touch of green. Yes, it's a figure one, so if you're somebody, you know, who wants to know that, yes, it does have a figure design on it. I also want to get the same color. Yeah, that's good, but I also want to do the same color. Okay, so you'll know what I'm doing. I'm trying to do two looks for you at the same time, and now there you go. Oh, this is like a typical mango color because there's no other way to describe it. Yesterday, I mean, I always find it a struggle to, you know, kind of put it in yellows or oranges, but whatever, it's a beautiful color and it's right there and it's amazing. Okay, and yeah, you're like free to kind of just go for the dupatta, which is stunning. Okay, which is just this soft, gorgeous look. Generally this family of color will look amazing with the Sona Rupa color, Sona Rupa Zari, because it just stands out so well. Okay, so that's the reason that you're going to be doing it in that. Now what is it that I was planning behind you was this look, and just see the gorgeousness of it. It's such an amazing color. The Meena is pink. It's just beautiful in every which ways, and I really do wish that you can now see it. Yes, you can. Okay, so that's the pink Meena with it. Okay, so this is look one that I'm making with it, which I think is perfection. But if you like contrast, then why not? Okay, we're going to be doing this, and this is also really pretty and nice actually. So take your pick. My pick is definitely for the first color combination, the same on same. But if you like contrast, then you'll love this as well. Okay, from there we're going to go on to, okay, we have lots of things to show you, which is what we are doing. And you know, I want to now, yeah, let's do a lot of suits, different kinds of suits, so that, you know, we can just give a lot of options. Oh, am I holding it ulta? Yes, that's the border. Okay, so this is how your kurta is going to be. This is a dupatta, and this is all, like, this is all premium cotton. Look at that. there you go, full suit for you, 26,800, and you can see like, you know, this amazing. So this is a very soft pink color. I also, now there you go, bottom भी ready है, सब ship होने को ready है. Only thing that we'll need is that we will need a day from you. Oh yes, hello to UK and everybody joining in from different regions, and it's amazing. You know, we are finally in Ludhiana. We have planned and thought of this for a long time, but finally we are here. Chandigarh, it's a beautiful city. I love the place and love the people, in fact, even more. So yes, a good day yesterday. Now look at that. There you go. So this is again a really nice one. This is a shade of grey, full 3-piece suit set with your bottoms. There you go. See, that's the bottom. सब कुछ ready है, सब कुछ dyed है. You can have it. Okay. Now there you go. It's a munga. And what's amazing is that it's a silver zari. So if you're somebody who loves munga, but this is a suit set, okay? Remember, this one is a suit set, and that's the dupatta, and it's just really soft and nice. It's very pretty, okay? It's got a plain munga also matched with it. There you go. That's your full look for a full munga suit set, okay? So that comes with like a plain bottom, and you can just kind of go for any of these colors. Looks perfect. From that, it's subtle and pretty, and from there we're going to go to some hotness, like ultra hot. Here you go. Pop of orange with pink. Does not get better. Yeah, does not get better. And look at that. So whether it is georgette, whether it is premium cotton, suit set or a fabric, we've got everything up for you, and all of these pieces of course here with us, so we can then ship it to you like day after. That's it. So because day after we're going to be back to our studios right in the morning, and aapke orders jaane lagenge. So you know, that's how quick and efficient they are. So just a day gap. Okay, that one comes with this plain silk one. So that's the plain silk bottom jo uska tha. I'm going to keep it aside. Okay, now I'm going to show you a phenomenal one in this most beautiful shade of it's creamish, but it's got a green tinge, just a touch of it. It's gold actually. You can say it's more like gold, and it is amazing. What do you see? This is perfection at every level. It is silk suit. It's got that Meena. Yes, it is a pet knee take on that, which is what I love about it. Okay, and here you go. Oops, I'm going to pick that up. But this is what I wanted to show because I'm a little ahead, so I wanted to just come and just show this to you. Now look at that. How classy and how amazing and how beautiful can things be, all of it together. Just look at that, okay? I think it's just most wonderful. Long time back, I done a cotton collection in Petni, you know. I think we should be doing more of these designs. They are amazing. Oh, look at that. So pretty. The bottom is ready. Full set for you. Okay, let me just show it to you closer so that you can really kind of get to see the entire look. It's a brilliant color to be dressing up. Okay, you can just dress it up. Looks amazing. Are you ready for some more hotness? Okay, I'm going to go hotness like this. First, I'm going to go for these beautiful silk fabrics. Okay, now silk fabrics ka ye, and I think Eid is just like Monday and Tuesday. So I hope all of you guys are ready for that. Everybody, you know, as a Eidi, you can, you know, definitely come on WhatsApp and see something for yourself. But now, coming back to silks, they're all season basically. When you're wearing something as stunning as this, do we have colors in this that we're ready to show? So I'm going to show you some amazing colors. Like, isi khoobsurti dekhiye. Look at that Sona, Rupa. Look at that weave right there. It is everything that you're looking for. Acha, same on same kare. If you want to do that, just do a same on same. Like, you can do a black katan. You can do this. It's like just too hot, okay? All of these 9,800 per meter. Buy them as much as you want, okay? So there you go. Here you go. I'm just showing you all the amazing colors that you just cannot miss. And there you go. This. Okay, you want to go for something softer, then this is the pink for you. I think it looks really nice. And this one, ये तो अलग ही एक story है इसकी जो खूबसूरती है. The shades are so pretty. You can wear like our silk bottom with it. okay, and they look nice. If you want to go for a gold bottom also, it will look very very cool. Okay, I'm just showing you all the colors ताकि ऐसा कोई color नहीं रह जाए जो मैंने miss कर दिया हो. And this is hot, guys. Like all of the colors that I'm showing you, okay? Because everybody's been asking me ki what are the colors available. Are we going to go do this dupatta with this dupatta? Yeah, we're going to do that dupatta as the last cut. Look at that red one, and then we're going to go for the orange first, okay? So I'm going to show you these two. Ulta hai. Now see that? So this is red, and then I have a maroon which I'm going to come up with. So how you dressing these up is this we call within ourselves Florence Buta. Okay, this is the Florence Buta. When you're wearing the Florence Buta, the way to wear it is same on same. Okay, same on same. But I understand that it is, of course, it comes at a price. So you want to cut down on that. You want to do a plain bottom that also looks phenomenal. And then what do? You do a wonderful, stunning dupatta. Okay, just that is unbelievable in every single ways. And you see this, and it's just everything that you've been kind of wanting in one Banarsi stunning look for you, both with Sona Rupa, both with Karwa, both the most beautiful color. This is the last cut, of course. So if you're looking for a pair, you're looking for a grand pair, then this is your piece, guys. This is, let me just bring this out. Yes, now you can see it's absolutely amazing. Here you go. Okay, from there I'm going to go on to some bandhni. I'm going to go for this bandhni probably because I just love our specialty ones, which are these. Now look at the beauty. Okay, कोई season नहीं इनको पहनने का, हर season है basically. not to say कि कोई season है, basically to say that you can wear this just about any season and it is perfect. This is a specialty. These absolutely fine with karwa border, rai bandhni. That looks amazing, you know. कुछ भी आप इस पे पहने. Okay, you're thinking like you want to do a summer look with it. Can I have that cream color का नीचे थान, हाँ, premium cotton में with the red meena नीचे और नीचे. Yes, that one. Okay, now I am going to show you the most beautiful combination in premium cotton with it. This, okay, this is such a nice light gold color. Okay, I'm going to try open this. It's wonderful. This is the exact same fabric that I'm wearing but in a different color. So now there you go, that's your combination. So when you're saying that you want to wear a sets which are like, you know, season and like, you know, like Georgette, premium cotton, let's get all the colors also ek baar. Haan, isi ke, which I was going to show anyway, so I said I will show you that colors. But remember, I'm going to first talk about premium cotton. It is a specialty. It is a composition that is very very special. It all comes with these colors. Now look at that. We have the most beautiful pretty colors for you. Same design, just different shades of blues, all, you know, different, slightly different motifs hai, but just look at that stunning colors that are there. I think they look amazing. Now, oh, look at that. What a nice hot one. And this is a special, again, hand woven silk hai, cotton hai, dono hai saath mein. That's how they are woven, and I think they are very very beautiful. Now that's a green one and also really good. और इसका जो last color मेरे पास है वो मैं दिखा रही हूँ आपको, which is a pink, and you know it just looks good. Here you go, there you go. Okay, I have the dupatta as well. So yes, these have the 12,800 Chanderi dupatta, which is of course our latest launch. And when you want to go for a suit, because you see me, I'm also wearing full suit with this one if I want to, but sometimes I just go for the dupatta. In fact, I was just wearing it in the last live or ek live uske pehle. I was wearing this. I'm wearing this again, of course, because you know, yes, no time today, guys. It was crazy. I just pulled out whatever was there first. Okay, so here you go. This is very pretty. I think it looks perfect. Okay, ombre, and you know, ombres in Georgette, ombres in Munga. मैं आपको सिर्फ एक दिखा रही हूँ because I think it is most wonderful, beautiful, you know, complex dyeing which has been done together. That looks so good. Now there you go. So you're seeing what, light soft blues to deeper browns, and that's your one piece that looks amazing. Here you go. बहुत सुंदर है, okay? So that's like one dupatta. Like just look at it, everything together you can see that here you go. Okay, now अच्छा ऐसा नहीं है that we are doing only premium cotton, we do Chanderi cottons as well, जो मैं आपको next दिखाने वाली हूँ, जिनके you know sets. Okay, now this is a set that I want to show you. This set that is there is for 10,550 for the full set. Okay, Chanderi cotton, premium cotton are two very different things. Okay, how they are made, how they are woven, what is the thread, everything is different. Okay, this and this is a really nice blue in fact with a plain bottom. अगर आप करते हैं तो it is 10,550 for the full set. So yeah, we've got everything for everyone. There's something that you will definitely find. This is the peach, and there you go. I like this. I think it's a very pretty. Look at that peach color. इसका ये दुपट्टा है कोटा सिल्क का, plain चंदेरी bottom. So that's there for you. Okay, इसका एक और color. I want to show the linen with the dupatta in fact. So now there you go. इसका एक और color है. All of these are the same price, which is 10,550 for 2.5 meter bottom, dupatta, सब कुछ. Okay, okay. Now this linen which has been here, just here. Okay, which I just showed you a glimpse yesterday of. I said I want to do this. Now checkered looks, is it red? It's slightly more pinkish than it is reddish, of course, because there's that white and red going together. But I would totally do a cord with this. Okay, I would probably skip a dupatta, or if I were to wear a dupatta, I would go for something and pretty and nice as this, which is just, you know, this whole thing, this dupatta, kota silk dupatta, which is perfectly matched. That's all that I will need. Now, a lot of you asking for fabrics that you can wear without lining. This is something, even that bahar that we were just showing you, you can wear it. Now, look at that. You can see my skin slightly, very slightly visible. So, yes, totally can be worn without it. This is 6,800 per meter. Okay, let's show you this. Here you go. This wonderful color mix. I think it's very pretty. Okay, from that, we're going to go to our sweet nothings, which are our Chanderi dupattas. And these always look good. Cannot go wrong with it. Now look at that. Like, so there is something everywhere. Like these are 5,800, and look at the, like this one is a slightly shaded one, right? This is a shaded one. So I'm just showing you. I'm asking because कई बार पास से नहीं दिखता है. That's why I was asking. Okay, and you can see now. I'm just showing you all the colors that are to be shown. Now this one is a peachish one. So today, like, even if I just give you a kind of overall this, you're seeing these dupattas, 5,800 to dupattas that are absolutely brilliant, you know, dressy dupattas. I mean, this is also brilliant, for not to say that this is not brilliant, but they come at very different price point, for occasion, for looks. There is something for everybody. This is the light blue, and look at that, how nice it is. You can be wearing the 980 per meter wala premium chanderi with it. It will look very nice. Couple of, probably I'll do, yeah, I want to do a grey actually. So I'm going to do a grey. We're going to do these two cotton suits, this, and yeah, then yeah, we're just going to, so we have some of these things. Okay, I'm just going to do a grey here because it's so brilliant. Okay, so definitely, and yes, for everyone saying, you know, so thank you so much to, you know, you've been inviting us to the UK, lots of you inviting us to the East Coast, West Coast of US. It's so amazing. We're doing this baby steps, okay? And probably, yes, summer shows, we're still figuring out if you want to do it more, we don't want to do it more, but it's just your love, that's everything. So big thanks for that. Thank you for, you know, thinking of us, inviting us, you know, to showcase to you. It's amazing. Okay, now look at that. What do you see? It's a pure cotton, pure cotton, Ektara cotton for that, with this Meena. There you go. You can see the Meena, you can see the beauty, this entire look. Pure cotton suit. I mean, it's a rarity as it can be. In this is a cotton by cotton, okay? So cotton Ektara pure, it's very different from premium cotton. It's very different from Chanderi cotton. Each one, like this is like Rui, like it's that soft. So हर का अपना एक charm है, हर का अपना एक look है. इसी में एक और है मेरे पास, which is what I'm going to show you, and it's the peach color. So I'm going to show you that as well. Look at that. Here you go. It's just amazing, amazing fabric. You know, each one having its own kind of whole look. And if you're into pure cotton, this one's for you. Just amazing. Okay, from that we're going to go to this and that. Yeah, let's do that. And this peach set niche jo hai with tissue dupatta. Oh, look at that. This one wonderful dupatta for you. It's just gorgeous, and it's tussar. It's got meenakari. It's got everything that you're looking for. So there you go. This dupatta for you in tussar with broad, beautiful borders, lots of meena, and there it is. Okay, so I'm just going to wind up now. Lots of these wonderful things that are all available right away for you to be able to shop. Okay, now there you go. One stunning color. How hot is that? I have a pink, I have a red, I have a purple. Okay, so there you go. Oh, look at that. It's amazing, right? This is Sona Rupa, pure Georgette, and just beautiful. It comes with a plain silk bottom. Just really nice. Okay, and the last piece that I'm going to go for is I did a lot of fabrics today. I think that's the whole, there's a lot of fun in them, how you can make them. This is such a pastel summer look for you. I think they're amazing. And yes, our ever popular tissue dupattas would look perfect with it. You know, you don't really need much when you're wearing something as amazing as this. Look at that. Okay, look at that. There you go. So it's very pretty with a tissue. This is a brocade silk fabric, and that's it. Okay, that's it from me to you. Thank you so much for joining in. I'm really glad I could just do this live here from Ludhiana. We are here now. The show opens at 2, so get ready, guys, at Hyatt Regency on the 7th floor. If you find there's any problem, you know, you too, when you're coming up the lift, you should just tell them to tap the card. So that's there. We're all set for you. All of this and so much more here. For everybody online, we are constantly online, and we're going to be taking your orders. Just come, ask us for pictures and details. We're always here for you. Online first, always, okay? So that's for you guys. Let me know if there is anything else. We're going to be here tomorrow, the entire day from 10 to 8. And then we are back to Mumbai. So yes, all shipments will go out day after. So that's all. If you're going for COD, cash on delivery, cash payments here as well, card payments here as well, and on same thing online. So both are perfectly okay. I will see you. Big love. Thank you, and see all of you. Yeah, let's get started. Bye.